Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at market post market analysis. We'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see what happened with the market today, and we'll be looking at tomorrow's level also. And let's jump into this. We are in currently Nifty chart. Only see, take it as education purpose. What are you discussing in this video? See, I already told you about the gap. If you're not at it, watched our earlier videos where I mentioned clearly about the gaps, how Nifty is going to fill the gaps and Bank Nifty is going to fill the gaps. You can go back and watch it. I clearly told that no, there is a probability this gap can be get filled. That is what happened. You can see that today is complete bloodbath, right? It's complete fall in the market. Straight 5 days market is falling. So that means the next crucial support is this, okay, for the market. Okay, still selling may continue. You have to be a little bit cautious, I'm telling you. So if you're a long-term investor, you don't need to worry. Take it as educational purpose. What you are discussing is not a buy or sell recommendation. And till this level comes, there is no you should not think of going for a long or something like that, because this is where its rapid selling came in. So after this level you can think of it. Okay, until then you have to be a little bit careful. And if you look at this, and if you look at this, actually, the selling came right now. There is a probability. Can you see a gap here? I can clearly see the gap. This gap can be get filled by the process. It can touch this support also in the coming days. Why I'm telling like that? Because there is a proper reason for that. So that is what is happening right now. So let's see. We discussed about the gaps in the last couple of videos, and you can see that there is a gap here, right? So in a Bank Nifty, you can clearly see in a 1 hour chart. So around this 48,400 and 48,100, around that level, there is a gap. There is a probably Bank Nifty may come and test this level and finally break and come and test this level. So after coming to this level, we need to see how market is going to react. This is going to be the crucial level. Until then, panic may continue. We don't know, tomorrow it can bounce. That is not, I don't know about it, but I can see there is a gap. You can also see that gap, right? There is a probability. That's why a little bit cautious. If you're a long term, if you're holding like that, portfolios will be down, obviously. That is no, for everybody's like, it's not like, why? Because this is a correction. We're in a correction of the market. If you're able to sit in the correction of the market, you'll be able to sit in the bull run also. That's very simple. Okay, no need to panic or something like that. Okay, see, this is Bank Nifty. Tomorrow we can expect see some big red candle. Let's see how it's going to happen. Okay, because there is a gap. I clearly telling this gap from many days. If you're not yet watched, please watch the videos. So within which style it will come and fill, we'll see that in the coming days. This is the crucial support. If it breaks, it can go and fill this gap in coming days. Okay, so now this is Nifty and Bank Nifty as of right now. Till we reaches this level, we should not keep any idea of going long or something like that. This is my just opinion. Okay, because this is where the heavy selling came in, right? So straight away like this. Okay, and it may continue like this also, but how it is gonna recover, that is really important. Will it gonna sharp recover will be there, or will there be a waiting and it's gonna break, or it may break this and go down, right? So if it is a weak structure, I already told you about this. Okay, Nifty, if I go back and if I show you 1 day chart right now, 1 day chart, if you take, okay, uh 1 day chart, if you look at it carefully, if this breaks, okay, there is high probability it can go down further to which levels. Okay, probably this level. Okay, and also probably this level. Okay, so there is high probability that Nifty can reach to these levels actually. Okay, so but we'll see whether it is going to continue downtrend, or it may come here and take a support and again sharp pullback and come back and break this. There is a high possibilities, right? So we should not ignore that also. But right now, if you ask me, we are in a big red zone, but recovery may come because continuously 5 days market is fallen. So when the continuous market fall is there, recovery will naturally happens. But we'll see how that recovery, we don't know, because it can recover like this, then again come back and break this down also. We don't know. But that's why above this level we have to focus on. If you're going longer ideas of keeping like that, we can look like that, but still it is a panic mode. Market is in panic mode. I have to sit and watch. That's it. Nothing else you can do right now. If you ask me, if you're a long term player, and this is my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll be coming up with one more video. Okay. Until then, till next video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please let me know your thought in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Please take care.